This unboxing for my replacement battery for my HP Red Flyer laptop. Because I need a new battery. Here's the box it comes in. It looks just like the boxes on the description on the Amazon. And it comes in this plastic that has this little seal on it. I'm presuming so you know it hasn't been tampered with. It's a lithium battery, so they said it can't go on airplanes and stuff. My battery has a hole in it for some doggone reason. So I'm going to remove it and see if the new battery works, if it fits, and if it's charged. This is very easy to take off because it's broken. The new battery appears to look like it's going to fit. And try to manipulate this with one hand. Line it up. Alright, so it fit on there. Let's see if this is the battery here. And this is the power button. And let's see if it comes with a charge. It doesn't say it comes with a charge, so we'll see. Nope. No charge. I don't know if it's supposed to come with a little charge or not. But it fit. So that's what I was really testing. To see if it fit. So the battery actually fit. I have to charge it in order to see if it actually works. But I don't have a charger right now. And I have to get a replacement screen next. So thanks for watching my video. I will put a link to this battery in the description and let you know if it actually works. Thank you. Be safe, be blessed, be a blessing unto others. Let your light so shine into the world. And I love you. Bye.